Good morning, guys. It is mid-July and I'm doing my first harvest. I've been waiting. I know you might have been waiting. So we're going to kind of get everything because, like I said, we're going away for a few days and it'll just be my luck that my harvest syncs up with the time that I'm leaving. So I think we should start in the back and get some celery. Come on. Come around here so you could see the stalks that I'm harvesting. So this one, I'm actually going to, you know what? I think they could just stay for the week. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's leave the celery for now. And we'll harvest that when we get back with the potatoes.
What about these bigger ones over here? These good too?
Yeah, let's leave them for the week. They'll be fine. But what we really need to get are some of these okras. So if you want to come in here so that you could get these nasty lantern flies.
Yeah.
So I'm just searching out, go to the base and clip that out.
See that okra?
Yeah. Oh.
Let's see it. Yes.
Here we go.
Gigantic.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want them to get too big. Let me know if you see any, because I planted them kind of close in here.
Can't really see what you're doing. Try to come over here.
Just gonna go in. Ooh, some chunky ones in here. Some double chunks. Whoa, okay, this one.
Hold on, turn around.
Wow. Look at this.
Whoa, holy moly.
And I'm gonna just preserve these by giving them like a nice chop and then putting them in the freezer. That way I could just throw them in whatever I'm cooking. Okay.
See what you got.
This is what I got, baby.
Big old okras.
Big old okras. Okay.
What's next?
And peppers. Put this here. We have a lot of pepper and we have some eggplants.
Eggplant?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, these pepper plants are loaded up.
Got some eggplant here.
That's too small. Whatever.
It's a smaller variety, my dear. I'm gonna leave these to ripe. Oh, I guess they're ready to go.
What are these, jalapeno?
These are chilies. Yeah, they're just, it's almost like I'm deboning them. They're just coming off. You could tell the ones that want to stay and the ones that are ready to go. I'm going to leave a little bit on here to hopefully change color.
Will they change color off the plant?
You know, that's a good question. No, they have to change with the peppers. They have to change color on the plant. I'm gonna leave these peppers. Are you able to see?
Somewhat.
I'm gonna just get these. Yeah.
Nice.
Just gonna because I don't want them to ripen up and fall off, which one had done before, and then miss out on it. So I'd rather just pick it green. Oh wow, I didn't even see this one. Little baby eggplant. Again, this is a small variety. Do not worry.
Okay, all right. You say so.
And then, I don't know if you want to come around here so you could see the peppers that I'm going to get in front here.
Yes, a good angle.
Just going to get some of these. They're not fully colored over yet, so I'm gonna wait.
On the bottom. If you want to
I'm gonna wait on those. I'm gonna get these bad boys. Oops, that wasn't ready. I'm actually gonna go in here. Are you seeing clearly? Okay.
Yeah, in the back, that one, there's a bunch.
Okay. Just a bunch of pepper. Oh, mosquitoes. Okay. Turning out to be a fine little harvest. And the jackpot will be here. Let's start. Let's leave that. Let's get all. So right now I'm picking the Thai chilies.
What kind of chilies?
Thai.
Pie?
Thai.
Thai chilies.
Yes.
All right.
Thai chilies. Now we're over to the shishitos. Maybe you want a top view for this one. I don't know.
You tell me, my dear.
You tell me what you're seeing. I don't know what you're seeing if you're able to.
Seeing mostly leaves.
Yeah, we want you to be able to see the peppers. And then here we have the cayenne. Just grabbing the red ones. Another set of shishitos.
The shishitos.
Yes, shishito. And then we have the Jimmy Nardellos here. Can you see the nice red ones over this side?
Yeah.
Oops. Oh my God, I broke a branch. Oh, I broke the pepper. Oh dear.
Those ones are like halfway in the back there.
Yeah, I'm
Green on
gonna.
the bottom, red on top.
I'm gonna get those. I'm destroying this pepper plant. My oh my.
See them.
These I'm gonna leave to purple up some more. You can see they're just like very faint. Yeah.
More shishitos.
Those are peppercones.
Peppercorns.
Or I don't even know. I still haven't looked up how to say it correctly. But it's the pepper variety that Papa John uses in their pizza. And you know I love to eat that pepper. with my pizza.
It's true. Those are usually green or yellow, right?
Yeah. So maybe later in the season I'll take some green ones to pickle.
I saw a pepper on here that didn't look too good. Right there. See it in the back?
Yeah, let's take that off. Let's take that off. You definitely don't want the plant putting energy into a dead pepper. What's this? Oh my goodness.
Weed?
Yeah.
Trying to blend in with the
Trying to
peppers.
blend, and it did a really good job because I didn't notice. You bugger. Just gonna get this last Trinidad. Okay, so this looks pretty good. And then the last thing that we're going to check is we're gonna get some herbs, because I'll give that to you to give to your mom. And what else did I want to get? Lettuce. I'll give that to your mom as well, because we're not going to be able to eat that. I'm just gonna
Nice. What kind of lettuce is that?
This is romaine. Romaine, and then we're gonna get the Merlot red. Just gonna, and I'm not taking my time because when I get back, I'm going to plant some more lettuce seeds. Because I think this area is really perfect because it gets a good amount of shade. So I don't have any problems with the lettuce bolting.
And the reason it grows out like that and not in a bunch is because we kind of just keep picking at it, right?
Right. So this is the lettuce. I'm gonna put her playing with fire right now, trying to adjust this on the ledge. Doesn't this look beautiful? I'm just making space because now we're gonna go over to the onions. I kind of want this.
Can I have space for all those onions?
We're not gonna take all of them. We're just gonna do little tests to see if they are ready. Because there's a lot of them that have fallen over, and that's usually the sign that your onion is ready.
Yeah, they look pretty big.
Yeah. Look at this one. I always forget I put an eggplant here, and every time I remember it, I think about TD Jakes when he's like, come look here, come in here. When he's like, have you ever been swallowed? It's just in there. Nobody remembers. And this is the amethyst. Amethyst eggplant.
Amethyst eggplant. Okay.
Yep. This is her. And I'm gonna leave this basket here. Just gonna do a little tug.
Give them a little pull, see if they're ready to
Yeah,
pop out.
little pulls. This one's ready. Yeah, some of them
They
are
look
still.
so chunky.
So I'm just gonna take this one out too. Yeah, these are still up. You want to check the ones. Look at these.
I know, they're huge.
God. They're still pretty firm. Oh, look at this red one. Oh
Whoa, it's
my
a
God.
monster.
It's still very firm in there.
Sure you don't want to pull that big one?
I should, right?
It's so big.
It's really firm in there. Should I?
Yeah, just give it a yank. I want to see it. Look at that. That's just one onion?
That's just one onion.
Monster.
That is just one onion. Yeah, some weeds in here that I'm gonna just gently take out. This one. And then
And what type of onions are these?
I know this is I think this is the Weathersfield. Wait.
These ones look a little different. They look a little more brown.
Oh my gosh, the name is. Yeah, so this is the Weathersfield. This is the yellow
So
onion.
Weathersfield is in the middle.
Yes. And this one, I
Yellow
don't remember.
on the right. And these.
I made it alphabetical at least, where I know. So this is either the Alyssa Craig, but I don't think I planted that. I think it's just the Spanish.
White.
Some Spanish. Something, I don't know. I'm just happy to see onions, okay? And I did a video with the name and stuff. I just can't recall. Yet. These are pretty in. Yeah, which is a good sign because I would like them to. Oh, look at this. This weed is gonna cause me, gonna have to pull this out. And this one.
Oh, drop one.
Okay.
That's it?
We're gonna leave the other ones. So this is it for the harvest, you guys. I didn't do too much. I left the celery and the potatoes because I just know I'm not gonna have time. We're leaving essentially tomorrow, so I'm not gonna have time to preserve that. So the best place to leave it is in the ground. And here is our harvest basket. I'm really happy with this, and most of these will go to my mother-in-law because she is being super awesome as usual and taking care of our dog Ziggy, so we will bless her with some organic veggies. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the harvest and that you're having a good garden season. Bye.